We're back at Flora Bakehouse in Seattle with bread, croissants, pastries, and more on the menu. The rave reviews from customers prove that anything you get is going to be delicious.
I usually walk out with a baguette because they're like the best I've had in Seattle.
I mean, their pastries and their coffee is great.
My favorite is the smoked cheddar cheese and chive scone.
Their chocolate chip cookies are great too.
You kind of can't go wrong.
I have my favorites.
One of the things that we love is highlighting seasonal produce.
Owner Nat Stratton Clark makes sure everything is made with the freshest ingredients, infusing the best of Washington farms in every bite.
Every week we're bringing in new things from the farm, especially in summer. We have our seasonal Danish, which is such a perfect moment to highlight all of the amazing fruit that comes out of Washington. I mean, we're so lucky to live where we live. It's just the variety in berries we get. We have berries that no one's ever heard of.
Yeah.
It'll be like, oh, peaches are in season, and they'll like make special pastries with peaches.
If you looked at my credit card statement, I'm here probably like 4 times a week.
Love to come by and sit outside on the porch. They have lots of flowers. The design inside is just gorgeous.
So I get to bake with your pastry chef today, I think, right?
You are baking with our amazing pastry chef.
Okay.
Leslie Pettigrew is a true magician, a true genius when it comes to pastry. You're going to be working on the Danish because it's that perfect place to highlight the bounty of the Northwest, the incredible produce we have here in Washington.
I can't wait to make it and eat it.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Today, we are going to make our summer berry Danish. It has some bay leaf pastry cream, summer berry jam, and then we're going to garnish it with blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and some edible flowers and herbs.
Edible flowers. So tell me about the flowers here, because they're so pretty.
So these are some things that we grow upstairs on our roof deck. They're a little bit of color and a little bit of fun, but they're also delicious, and they add some flavor to our items as well.
We start with our cardamom Danish dough after it's been proofed.
One of the reasons I love working with this dough is you get that kind of nice little hint of cardamom as you're working with it.
See the little,
that's what the little speckles are, yeah.
Speckles.
And you can see the layers are starting to separate. Those are all layers of butter and dough. So,
and I love the shape that they're in.
This one was really fun because the berries in the center make it almost look like a flower.
Oh,
so
beautiful.
So that's kind of a fun shape.
We start by making a small opening in the pinwheels.
I'm making my little opening bigger so you can put more stuff in
There
it.
you go, exactly. So, we change the fruit throughout the year.
Sure.
And it's really fun to come up with the different flavor combinations.
Next, we egg wash the Danish, put some bay leaf pastry cream in the middle, and put them in the oven to bake. Then we move on to making the summer berry jam. We start by mashing up half of our berries.
This is what's going to kind of make the sauce a little bit thicker, and it's going to just speed up the process because it takes a long time for this kind of berry to break down just from heat alone. And this sauce is nice because it's not just something for the Danish. You can put it on ice cream, you could put it on cheesecake, you could put it on yogurt.
Eat it with a spoon.
You can eat it with a spoon, yeah. It's really, really delicious.
Yeah.
Next, we add the rest of the berries, some sugar and lemon juice, and give it a stir. Then we cook it until it thickens up. Once our pinwheels are finished baking, we're ready for the really fun part.
Wow. These are amazing. Look at how big they got and how toasty brown they are.
Yeah, and it's kind of fun because you get the little crunchy edges, but it's tender in the middle, so it's a good contrast.
We scoop the summer berry jam into the middle, then top it off with fresh berries.
So you really load these up.
We really do. How can you go wrong with something that's basically like this beautiful bowl of fruit with this crunchy pastry?
Yeah.
Next come the edible flowers.
Just kind of accent on the top with just like a few little bits, and they're all going to be just a little bit different. Just something fun.
Oh, this is my favorite part. This is so fun.
To finish it off, we sprinkle on some powdered sugar.
I always think it's kind of magical, that powdered sugar. It's like a fresh snowfall.
It is.
It just makes everything so pretty.
It's so tender inside.
I like the contrast because you've got that crunchy outside, and I love the little bit of cardamom that you get, and then it's the bite in the middle with all of the stuff is the best.
It hits the spot. Lovely berries, beautiful flowers, gorgeous pastry. Yum.